This paddle, Responding to Community Needs, articulates the values and principles Camosun cultivates to foster a relationship both with the land and our broader community. But how do we define our community? Camosun College has its base here in Lekwungen and Wasinich territories, but it extends a connection to a broader global community through our international students, partnerships, and exchanges. Building and maintaining those relationships is the key to strengthening our connections both here and abroad. These relationships help break down the systemic barriers students face as they access post-secondary education. To be a true community college means responding to the needs of our students and the communities they represent. Our students want their campus to be livelier and more vibrant, and our commitment to student housing is a priority that'll help cultivate that vibrancy on campus and will benefit everyone, the students, the school, and our local residents. We have the power to provide opportunity to students who might otherwise never consider post-secondary education. That's what makes Camosun an integral part of the educational landscape here on the island. The relationships we build with our local and global partners allow Camosun to respond with heart and hands to make a real difference in our community.